DDOT is working to make our streets function more efficiently and improve bus transit for district residents. The 14th Street Traffic Decongestion and Bus Improvement Project between Euclid and Newton Streets Northwest will improve the performance of the Woodley Park Adams Morgan DC Circulator and Metrobus 52, 54, and 59 lines, which move over 15,500 people every day. Who rides the 14th Street buses? 78% identify as part of a minority group. 43% are low income. 10% are students. It will also improve the safety of bicyclists along the corridor by providing protected, shared bike and bus lanes and improve the performance of vehicular traffic through signal timing changes and reducing conflicts with other modes.